Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to do this simple question. Okay, this program I how to do in Java console application. This is very good example, right? So input the student index number, name and subject, right? So how many subjects you are entered, and it will be asking the marks, right? So I will show you the output in few minutes, right? So here display the student details, display the maximum marks, display the total average and grade, after that exit, right? Please select the one option here. You have to select one option, right? So after that exit. Let's let's show the output, right? So here I'm going to run the application and check, right? It asks the student number. You have to give the student number as 00001. 2, press enter key. It asks the student name as John, press enter key. Number of subject I'm going to give as 5, press enter key. Enter the subject 1 marks. It asks the subject 1. How many subjects you are gave? 5. First subject I am going to give 70. Press enter key. Second subject I am going to give 90. Press enter key. Third subject I am going to give 67. Press enter key. After that 45. Press enter key. After that fifth subject 89. Press enter key. Here we all things have been recorded, right? After that you have to select the one option, right? If I here there will be the options. See, option A, display student details. Option B, select the display the maximum marks. Option C, display the total and average. X mean it exit, right? So how to do the things? It's very simple. Okay, so what I'm going to do is uh, here if I select the option as A, press enter key, you can see that you entered your index number is 1002, name as John, right? If you select the option B, press enter key, minimum marks 90. This is the minimum marks I am gave, right? 90, right? After that, 6 C mean it will be display the total average and result, right? So press enter key. You can see here your total, your average, your grade will be pass, right? So if you are press X key, press enter key, it will be exit the system, right? The very simple system how to do in Java, right? I already run the write the application, you can check, right? So here first you have to create the application and your uh, IntelliJ, right? Go new project, right? The IntelliJ application is very good, right? So you just go to the Google and I'm going to type student marks, right? You just go to the, if you are not install the IntelliJ yet, you just go to the Google and you have to type on the Google search bar IntelliJ IDEA. It goes to the respective website and you will be able to download them, right? This is a very good editor for writing the Java code. So here src, right click new Java class I'm going to give the student, press enter key, right? Now here inside the class I'm going to create the main method. So I have to create the main method public void main, so write string args. Inside here I'm going to paste this code and I'll be explained, don't worry. So if I write it, it take too much of time to complete, right? So that I just copy the code, paste inside here, right? Perfect. I'll be explained, don't worry, right? So you can see here, first I'm going to write the scanner class. You have to create the object scanner, new scanner system.in. If you are write like this, you have to create one object. Scan object, you have to create one object. You have to, how many enter key you need, the same object you can use it, right? Don't create scanner 1, scanner 2 for each displays, right? You can create one particular class scan. After that you have to type the system.out.print, not println. Println means it will be printed as a next line. Print means it's printed as the line, right? The same line it will be asking the enter the index number, right? So here you can see the index number. I'll show the output. Okay, I already show the output index number, right? So here the same line it will be asked the answer, same line, right? That's why we are gave here as scan ring, right? After that you can see here there will be the system.out.print index number, right? After that this one index string index number scan this variable I'm going to store. Okay, this index number will be stored. What is index number you are typing on here, it will be stored over here. After that you enter the name, it will be stored here, the name also. After that you enter the number of subject, how many subjects you entered here, it passing to the this variable number of subjects, right? After that you have to space, if you leave the space, right, you have to leave the space mean here you have a space, this is space, right? Your space. That's why you have to type the blank in Java, right? It's a blank, right? You can see the next letter, it's a blank. After that, you have to declare three integer variables, marks, max, and total. After that, we have to write the simple for loop, right? So int variable name is a. Initial value I have gave here is 0. The value is starting from 0. After that, what you are going to do, now here the initial value is 0. After that there will be the condition in for loop, right? So for loop you have we have three things: initial value, condition, and increment. So here condition, the initial value is 0. What are the number of subject? What are the subjects you enter? If I enter 2, it will be calculated as 2. Okay, so here it's 2. One number of subject is less than a, right? So here this one should be the a plus plus. It will be looping, right? So after that system.out.print number of enter subjects, right? It is what is the subject you are entering. If you are enter as 5, it 5 times it the loop will be works, and that's why you have to use like this. Here you will be go to here. If you enter 5, gave here 5, the loop will be asked for the 5 times for the marks 1, marks 2, marks 3, marks 5. That's why you have given here. But if you are put it here as 2, it will be it will ask the subject of marks for 2 times. For the street it asks for 3 times. Okay, so it will be calculated the maximum and minimum value. What is the maximum marks you are entered? Here you have to create the variable above maximum. Here marks already, what is the marks are entered, it will store here the marks variable, right? That's the thing we have given here as well, right? Okay, right. So after that it will be calculate the total plus marks, total plus it will be calculated total plus marks, right? So after that what you are going to do is here you write the implement the declare the boolean variable b is true while loop. You have to write a while loop to display this one. This is all the option, right? If the first time display the output, okay, after that you are click a, it will be display your results along with the option again, so that you have write as another while loop and do the things like this. After that we have to write the swing option, switch and case option to do the things, the switch and case option, right? So this option how to work here is a option is select the index number. If you select the option as a, it asks the option which option you are going to elect it. If you are choose the option as a, it display your index number as well as your name. After that it is take out of the loop. If you call the break statement, it call it will be generate this output and it will be come out of the loop and ask these things again, right? If you the B, it will be display the maximum marks and come out of the loop. If it is C, it will be display the total grade, all things, whether you are passing or not, all things. It will be display your total is, your average is, your grade is. After that, it will be come out of the loop. If it is D, you are going to exit the system. So you write B false, it will be exit the system. right? That's the things we have to use. If you are typing the C, D, if you are typing E or any other letter, it will be defaultly generated. Please select the valid option. Your option is not available from here above. Okay, the option is not available above. If it is C, E or any other letter you are typing, so it will display the message here as please select the valid option, right? That's how the system will be work. I hope you understood things well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.